All right. So Matt Cole, manager of motorsports at Nissan North America. I want to run you through some of our builds. So here's our Dune Patrol concept. What this is a wild crew hauler that can drive you through all the adventures, chase the trophy truck, and have all the mechanics in there that you need. So it has 37-inch tires on a Patrol. It's got full CJD custom suspension. It has NISMO prototype parts all around. We've got the steel bumpers. We've got the steel roof rack. We've got all the NISMO lighting. All of these are prototype parts. We also have these Access beadlock wheels, black wheels with the bronze beadlock going around. They are functional beadlocks. We currently have 17-inch NISMO beadlocks, and we're looking to expand to an 18-inch. We also have the NISMO rock sliders. Those are fully mounted to the frame. Steel will take the abuse, and those are our prototype part as well. Additionally, you'll see that we have MOLLE panels on the outside. We actually have an air pump, integrated air pump. It's from the Patrol in the Middle East. We've installed that as well. So you can inflate your tires, whatever you need to do. And then we have a swing out rack in the back with traction boards, also the 37-inch spare if you need it. And then let's go over to the Rapid Runner. Over here, you'll see the Rapid Runner. So this is an exciting build because last year at SEMA, it was actually the Trailgater. We took the Trailgater and we repurposed it. We tore the doors off, made it waterproof. The whole point of this build is to be able to take your buddies down to the trail, drop them off with kayaks, shuttle back all the equipment, and go on the next adventure. So this has some really cool components. The door bar is actually open. So this is one thing that's really cool. So these door bars, fully functional, fully open, front and back. Easy access in and out, water drains out. It's got 37-inch tires. It's got 17-inch Ascend wheels, also a prototype wheel. It's got a Titan axle and suspension swap to get more height, more width, and more travel. And then as you can tell, it's got this crazy 90s summer camp vibe that's super exciting. The carbon fiber snorkel into a prototype intake, and it can carry at least 4 kayaks more if you want to. And in the back, you'll see all of our NISMO gear. You'll see that we have a NISMO coolers, NISMO solar panels, NISMO power pack, and bungees. And all these NISMO parts on this truck are actually available for sale other than the prototype wheels. So you could build this if you wanted to. It's got everything out there in the market. Yeah, thank you for showing up. Thanks for coming to the show. Thank you for checking out our builds. Appreciate the time.